In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name or URL in Slack. Whether you're updating your company's branding or just want a fresh start with a new name, Slack makes it quite simple to switch things up. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Slack application or visit the Slack website in your browser. This step is pretty straightforward, but make sure you're logged into the correct workspace that you want to modify. Once you're in Slack, look for the drop-down arrow located next to your workspace name. This drop-down menu is a gateway to all your workspace settings, so go ahead and click on it. From this menu, you'll need to select the Tools and Settings option. This is where you'll find all the controls you need to manage your workspace efficiently. Now, you'll see an option labeled Workspace Settings. Clicking on this brings you to the core area where you can make administrative changes. It's important to note that only workspace owners or admins will have the necessary permissions to adjust these settings, so ensure you have the right access. Once you're in the workspace settings, scroll down until you find the section titled Workspace Name and URL. This is the specific area where you can change both the name and the unique URL of your workspace. Next, click on Change Workspace Name and URL. This will allow you to input the new details you have in mind, whether you're simply tweaking the existing name or entirely overhauling how it appears and how it can be accessed online. Now you have two fields to modify. Start by entering the new name of your workspace in the provided text box. This could be anything from a slight rebranding to a completely new identity, depending on your needs. After you've updated the workspace name, proceed to the URL section. This URL must be unique, meaning no other Slack workspace can have the same one, so just keep that in mind while you type in your desired web address. Having made all the necessary changes, all that's left is to click on Save Changes. This button will apply your modifications. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it's accurate because while these changes are often reversible, making them repeatedly might confuse your team or organizational partners. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Slack workspace name and URL. Remember, changes can take a few moments to propagate, so if they don't appear immediately, just give it a little time. Feel free to inform your team about the new workspace information to ensure everyone stays connected seamlessly. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help.